Hello everyone. Today we will be solving one question from the manufacturing technology, right? And which is primarily based on the electroplating. So in the question, the examiner is asking the a steel plate or a steel part with a surface area of 125 centimeters square is to be chrome coated, okay, through an electroplating process using chromium acid sulfate as an electrolyte. An increasing current is applied to the part according to the falling current time relation it has given, which is equal to 12 plus 0.2 t, where t is the time in minutes and I is the current in ampere. The part is submerged in the plating solution for a duration of 20 minutes for the plating purposes. Okay, so this is the duration t. Now, assuming he's asking us to assume the cathode efficiency of the chromium to be 15% and the plating constant of the chromium acid sulfate to be 2.50 into 10 raised to power minus 2 millimeter cube per ampere second. So what we have to find is the resulting coating thickness on the part surface in the microns, right? So basically for this type of questions where this time relation has been given with respect to the current, let us first of all write it 12 plus zero point 0.2 times of the t, right? And it is talking of it's like the part is submerged in the plating for a duration of the 20 minutes. So after some time t there would be kind of some changes, right? But we have to find out the change in the surface of the steel part with respect to the initial time to the final time, right? So after the time t, where time t is 20 minutes, right? So if we have to find out the sequential steps or the sequential minutes through which this plating purposes happen, we have to differentiate it, right? So it would become dt, and assume that the deposited heat be dq, right? So if we write it or if we differentiate it, this it would become dq is equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 2, which has been given, right? And here we'll assume it in terms of the minutes, multiply by 12 plus zero point 0.2 t into dt, right? Now the cathode efficiency has been given as 15%, right? Therefore dq would be 2.5 into 10 to the minus 2 into 60 into 12 plus zero point 0.2 of t into dt, multiply by 0.15 mm cube, right? Now we have to find out at the time t, right? So at t is equal to 20 minutes, q would be t dt, right? So if we solve this out, it would become which is equal to 0.225 12 into 20 plus 0.1 into 20 square, right? So if we solve this out, it would become 63 cube, which is our heat, right? Now since the area which has been given is in the centimeter square, right? Right. So as area is 125 centimeter square, which is given in the question. So plating thickness, if you have to find out, it would become 63 divided by 125 into 100, right? So it would become 0.00504 mm. But in the question, the examiner has asked us to give the answer in the micrometer. So if you convert this in the micrometer, it would become 5.04 micrometers, right? So this would be the thickness which would be coming over to the steel part, right, after 20 minutes.